Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making beef lo mein stir fry with ramen noodles and vegetables in our large 12-inch skillet. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our beef lo mein, we need to set our burner to medium. Now we just add a little bit of oil to the pan. Now we just add our vegetables, which are frozen. As you can see, we add our ramen noodles. And since we don't have any ground meat, I figured we'd just use a couple hamburger patties. Don't worry though, they'll be alright. Just like that. Now we gotta add about 2 cups of beef broth, or beef stock, whatever you have. Alright, now we just cover that and let that cook for a while. Yeah, the beef patties we're using here is they're Flanders beef patties. 1/4 pound beef patties with onions. So we used 3 of them, so they should be pretty good. They got a pretty good flavor. Thought you'd like to know. Okay, let's give it a check. It's about time for us to give that a little stir. Break up some of the hamburger. Okay, cover that and let that cook a little bit. Alright, let's give that another quick check. Let's turn off the burner. It's perfect. Alright. Now we gotta make up a soy sauce. Here's our soy, but we're gonna put a little bit more garlic in there, and we're gonna add a little bit more pepper. You see that? Pepper. And we're gonna stir that up. Got our soy mixture there, a little garlic and pepper. Yeah, that makes it taste good. Now we just stir that up a little. It's done. Looks good. Alright, now all we have to do is plate that up. Boy, that smells good. I wish you could smell that. Alright, let's see if we can plate this up. Boy, that looks good. Still looks good. beef lo mein. I can smell the beef. Wow, that one almost got away from me. Okay, I'm going to try to put it all on here though. Try to make room for a little bit more of the beef on this side. Gonna need a bigger plate. Man, does that smell good or what? That's got some tasty stuff down the bottom. With that soy sauce and all that in there, and the garlic. Yep, there you go. It's still hot. Alright, there you have it, guys. Look at that. Now we can just top it with some green onions. Makes it nice. And I'm going to put some spinach leaves on top of that. There you go. Now there you have it right there. Let me get you in a little closer. Look at that. Beef lo mein stir fry with ramen noodles and vegetables. A little bit of soy sauce, garlic, pepper, and your beef bouillon in there. Man, is that tasty or what? Yeah, I just gotta have a little bite. All them vegetables are done just right. Let's try a little piece of the beef. Oh yeah. I gotta have another little bite. I wish you could taste that, because it's delicious. Man, that beats takeout any day. That's enough for the whole family though right there. It feels like, I don't know, a couple pounds anyway. Yeah, I'm not going to eat the whole thing. Not tonight, that is. Beef lo mein stir fry, ramen noodles and veggies. You can't beat that right there. Yep, I know I'm not cleaning up the kitchen right now. I'm going to get into my stir fry. Yep. It might be half going before I'm done. That sounds normal.